Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I am going to share with you the best smoothie recipe of summer 2020 that you will ever make and drink. This is going to be a Mangonada or a mango smoothie with chamoy and Tajin seasoning. You already know my love for just Tajin and chamoy in general. I shared a Mexican fruit cup maybe last year around this time, but this is taking it to the next level. You are going to absolutely love this recipe if you love chamoy and Tajin like I do. So if you guys love smoothie recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe could not be easier. It doesn't have that many ingredients like all of my smoothie recipes. So I had my sister help me out with this one actually. So all you do is add a little bit of coconut water to a blender. I used about 12 ounces, but you just have to kind of play with it and get that perfect smoothing consistency. And then I added 3 cups of frozen mangoes. I buy my frozen mangoes in a big bulk from Costco so that it is very cost effective, and I just always have mangoes in my freezer. And then I added a few dashes of Tajin seasoning so that that flavor really runs throughout the entire smoothie. And then you just blend it up to the perfect smoothie consistency. This took a few times, had to add a tiny bit of coconut water, a little extra, just to get it to that perfect consistency. And really that's it for the smoothie. So to take this smoothie to the next level, I like to rim my glass with a little bit of chamoy. So I dump the top into a little bit of the chamoy sauce, and then I put it in the Tajin seasoning. So you have this really pretty chamoy Tajin rim. And then I like to take my cup and drizzle in some chamoy sauce. This way that flavor is just all throughout the smoothie, and every sip that you take, you really get that flavor. And that's really it. You put your smoothie in these beautiful cups. It just looks so pretty, and more than that, they taste absolutely delicious. And really, it took just a few ingredients. And if you're a chamoy and Tajin lover like me, you probably already have these ingredients on hand. So that's it. That is my Mangonada or my mango smoothie with chamoy and Tajin. All right, there you guys go. That is my mango smoothie with the chamoy and Tajin seasoning, otherwise known as a Mangonada. Usually when I buy this from any type of food stall, they have this really delicious tamarind straw that I absolutely love having, but I didn't go the extra step and buy those. But this recipe is delicious. We slurped ours down on a hot summer day in like 5 minutes, so it is very good. So if you guys love easy smoothie recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.